Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slowdown problem. If your Windows 11 computer is lagging, freezing, or performing slowly, you are not alone. Many users experience sluggish performance due to background processes, storage issues, or outdated drivers. The good news is that you can improve speed dramatically by applying a few targeted fixes. That said, let's try out the most effective solutions to get your PC running smoothly again. So first off, I would recommend you to disable all the unnecessary startup apps and background processes on your PC. One of the biggest performance killers is too many apps launching automatically when your PC starts. These programs keep running in the background and consume plenty of memory and CPU power. To fix this, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape shortcuts. Then you have to click the Startup Apps tab, and then you have to disable any apps you don't need to start automatically, such as Discord, Steam, Microsoft Teams, or OneDrive if not required. Also check the Processes tab and end tasks that are unnecessary. This alone can make your system boot and run much faster. Next up, I will recommend you to run the storage cleanup and activate storage sense feature on your PC. If your system drive is nearly full, Windows will slow down significantly. Clean up junk files to free up space and improve responsiveness on your device. To do so, open the Settings app, and then you have to choose the System tab located in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down a bit and choose the Storage option. And then you have to click on the Temporary Files option. Then you have to select Cache Thumbnails and Leftover Update Files and delete them all. Next, turn on the Storage Sense feature to allow Windows to automatically clean junk in the future. Also, if possible, ensure your PC is running on an SSD rather than an HDD. SSDs drastically improves performance. And finally, I will recommend you to update graphics, apps, and system drivers on your PC. It's worth pointing out that outdated drivers and apps can cause stutters and slow responsiveness, especially if you are gaming or multitasking. To do so, open the Settings app on your PC. Then you have to hit the Windows Update tab located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to go ahead to download and install any pending updates. Then you have to open the Microsoft Store app, and then you have to hit the Library tab located in the left sidebar. After that, go ahead to update all the apps. Then you have to open Device Manager and right-click on Display Adapter. And then you have to choose the Update Driver option in the menu. After that, you have to follow the prompts to update your display drivers. Keeping drivers and apps up to date ensures smooth performance and better hardware stability. And that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix Windows 11 lagging and slowdown problem. Hopefully these tips will help you get a better of the problem and your PC will start running smoothly once again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.